And happy Saturday, November 6th, 2021. My name's Willie. I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And good morning. JH is in the chat. Looks like people are starting to filter in. Good morning, Ressie. Hey, did I fix the sound? Let me know if we're still choppy and breaking up here this morning. Somebody let me know over in the comments, please. Good morning, DJ Ware. Sounds good. Okay, so I think I found the problem. Turns out that the Rodecaster wasn't the Rodecaster, but the Rodecaster is plugged into a USB hub, a powered USB hub. And so I'm resetting everything this morning. I'm getting ready for this. And the power cable for and I'm using the J5 Create USB powered hub. The power brick is like halfway unplugged from the surge suppressor. So I was like, well, that could definitely probably cause some audio issues. All right, over to the comments. Good morning, Joe with cajoling. Good morning, TM Bighorn, Dale, Jacob, admin engineer, David Anderson, James Brahman, Jeremy, laptop doctor's in the house. Peter, good morning. Nigel, good morning. And Tony is in the house. So I am going to be trying to take my streaming up and my video production to the next level. And right now, what you're watching is coming in on a Canon M50. Now, I am usually a Rode RODE microphone junkie. But I will tell you that the audio from my regular videos is actually filmed on camera with a Deity that I bought earlier this year, and it is a fantastic microphone. Morning, Ralph, Brav, Dave, JH, After Dark. Good morning, everyone. And so I was just talking to Tony and Joe, so I think I'm going to have to sell. I've got a Canon M100, which is a mirrorless camera, but it doesn't have any external. I can't hook a mic into it, so everything that I have to do with that, I have to mix and post. Which I guess the M100 is okay. Like if I want to get different camera angles, and then you just sync everything in post. But I also have my Osmo Action 1. This is the first gen, and this camera I have all kinds of accessories for it. It can do audio, and it does a fantastic job. It's got great quality, so I don't really need the M100. I'm not using the drone as much, so I think I'm going to sell my Orion. You might want to buy this stuff. So I'm going to sell my Canon M100. I've got a Rode shotgun mic that I'm going to sell, and I'm also going to sell my DJI Spark drone. I've got 2 batteries, and I have the external remote control. So I am going to fund probably the Canon SL3, which is what was recommended by Tony. So yes, top of the morning. Hey, Noodles. JH says, did you see MikroTik put a bunch of new stuff on their site? They are calling it IoT. You know, MikroTik isn't on my list, isn't my thing, but I know y'all do. So we do love MikroTik in certain situations. Now, my goal is to get, I need to be able to get it back so you all can look at the same screen that I am looking at. But let's see. I still see the September newsletter up there. Was it in the September newsletter? Could be. I don't know. Let's take a look at the hardware. While that loads, over to the comment. Good morning, Sideways Bob Dog from Ireland. So while I'm out and about today, I'm going to buy a small bottle of Jameson Irish whiskey, and I'm going to make some Irish coffee tonight. I thought that sounded good. Ryan, are you talking about the shotgun mic? It's everything's going to be on Marketplace, the Peoria Marketplace. I will entertain shipping to those of you who are watching this. So if you reach out, but yeah, those are the three things that I need to get rid of to fund my new camera. So that'll be coming. Let's see. Cordell, good morning. I did see an email come in. I've got 19 emails, legit emails, not spam emails, that I have to check here today and get back with folks. So I know a few people have reached out about training. I'm looking at that week of Thanksgiving in the United States. So that's somebody, please help me. I don't have a calendar. Oh, that's hilarious. I do kind of have a calendar. Let me see here. I'm pulling it up. Please be patient. So today is the 6th. And so it would be the week of the 21st, or depending on how your week starts, that week of so Saturday's the 20th, but so the 21st through the 24th, that's kind of what I'm looking at there. So more details will be nailed down. The Grandstream certification training got pushed to December. So we will see how that works out. And I'm going to do two different, for the Ubiquity trainings, there's going to be two different levels. There's going to be a 4-hour training that you can join, and then there's going to be the entire day worth of training, and they will be two different prices. So the top end of pricing now for the entire day is going to be 50% of what it was last time, and then the half of the training will be 50% of that. So I'll be sending out the information about that. Okay, so I'm on microtik.com. So I see they're KNOT, which is their IoT gateway. So I'm going to like, oh, something else that I want to think about. So I was looking at it, and a bunch of us here are zero tier fans. I haven't done any zero tier videos yet. I just helped a customer the other night. It's so funny when you start dealing with these ISPs